Hello, this is Arlene Cohen Miller of Jewel Consultancy. I'm an attorney, I'm a coach, and what I'm going to be sharing with you is a series of videos about negotiating from the heart, holding that beautiful executive presence, and knowing how to work with other people so that you get better results. Experience negotiations in a new way that's not all about stress and anxiety and frustration, and just to be more of your clearest, brightest, best self as a negotiator. So I hope you enjoy all the videos in this new section of my YouTube channel. You'll also find the videos posted on Instagram and LinkedIn primarily. I might go to some other places as well, but I know you'll find them there. And my YouTube channel is Arlene Cohen Miller. You probably found it or you wouldn't be watching this. And any comments, any questions, any thoughts, please post them. If it's maybe it's a new video that I need to do for negotiations, that could be of assistance to you. And it's just a taster of the different workshops that I do. So, all my best. Hope it's really informative and helpful for you. And you can always reach out to me. Just go to the Jewel Consultancy website. It has my email address and my phone number. Take good care. All my best.